Hi everyone, in this video we will see that how to manage payment details in OpenEduCat using accounting application. So first of all, you can log into the system with your username and your password. Then you can go to login. From this one you can go to your menu, then you can go to your accounting application. You can see customers menu on the top. You can click on customers menu, then you can go to your payments from then. You can see your last payment made in the system, so you can click on that particular payment. You can see all the payment details in this page like payment type, partner type, payment amount, payment journal, payment date, memo, any payment transactions if you have in there. And you can go to journal items. So if you click on journal items, you can see all the journal entries in this page. So you can see your debit and credit. You can see debit for the amount of $102.78. Down there you can see the credit for that payment for $102.78. So it looks like that whole payment has been balanced out with debit and credit. So the invoice has been fully balanced in the system. Now if you want, you can go manually into payments with journal entries. So you can go to your accounting on the menu there. You can go to journal entries. You can create your journal entries manually using this way. Now you can see your filters are by default miscellaneous operations, and if you would like, you can click on create tab just on the top left corner down to journal entries, and you can create new journal entries in the system. All the journal entries are automatically created in the system for you. So this is how you can manage your payment details in OpenEduCat using accounting application. Thank you very much for your time.